Can you believe I took this drab white pillar and turned it into this fab black pillar and vase? Stay tuned. As you can see, I have already started placing my mosaic tiles onto the pillar. It's a white pillar that I got from AC Moore. They were actually 2 for $5. So I've had those pillars for about a year and something, and now decided to use them. I'm taking the mirror tiles and placing them all around the stand, the pillar. I didn't want to bore you by showing you all of that, so I just moved on to the next step. And as you can see, I painted the pillar black. Let me give you a word of caution. It'd be better for you if you painted the entire pillar before you placed on the mosaic tiles. I did get the mosaic mirror tiles from Dollar Tree, so I just wanted to let you know that. Also, the beads that you see me putting around the bottom part of the mosaic mirror tiles, I got those beads from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just placing it around the bottom of the mosaic mirror tiles so that any gap that's under there, you won't be able to see it. And I applied it with E6000. However, I did use my hot glue to secure the end of the beading so that it can stay in place and won't fall off, and allowing for the other beads to fall off as well. I'm going to place the same bead at the top of the mosaic mirror tiles. However, as you can see, I was trying to see if I can put the beads in between each row of mosaic mirror tiles, but that was going to be too much, too time consuming, and I think it would have taken away from the look of the mirror tiles on the pillar. So you see me here, I'm just trying to measure the length of the beads for the top portion of the mosaic mirror tiles. And once I get that on, I'm going to also put E6000 on the top of the mosaic mirror tile so that it can be a permanent hold. I don't want it to come off anytime soon. It'll be a permanent hold. And as you can see here, I did cut the beads a little longer than I should have, but that's okay. It's always better to cut longer than cut shorter. So my little wax scissors, they need to be replaced. And now here I'm going to be putting some E6000 on here. And I thought I could use a paintbrush to do that. I don't know what I was thinking, but I tried it. And it didn't work. E6000 is a little bit too thick. And that was a small paintbrush. So I just said, you know what? Forget it. Let's just put the E6000 all the way around like that. And my little tube of E6000 was a little defective because I had to cut it, because it had hardened and wouldn't come out. So I had to cut it down to the portion where I can get it out. And that's why it's looking like that. So I'm going around the whole area of the top of the mirrors, and I'm going to place those beads just like I did the bottom portion of the mosaic mirror tiles. And I just want you to know that today is a good day as far as lupus is concerned with me. I'm not having too many problems with holding on to the beads and painting. And I did paint the black on the pillar. I painted it black, and I did use some paint that I had gotten from AC Moore. And I just decided to go ahead and paint it. But that was after I put the mirror tiles on. Again, word to the wise, make sure you paint the pillar all black. Unless you don't mind the white being in there, because I think the white is cool. It just gives it a little bit of character with the white in there. And really, you don't see it, you don't really notice it that much, but I like the way it came out. And working with my hands today was a good day. I didn't have to worry about them cramping up. They didn't cramp up today. which is awesome, and which allowed me to go ahead and get this done, because putting those mosaic mirror tiles on them, it looked like it's an easy task, but no, they kept falling off. I had to keep stopping and trying to, add them back on. It was just a lot, but I was able to do it because, as I like to say again, I have lupus, but it doesn't have me. Well, here's a look I wanted to try with this pillar. I had done that vase that you see on top. I had done that to go with some other candle pillars that I was doing. And I decided I was going to try to put it up on this pillar and see how it looks. And I like it. I think I like the height. I think it'll do good on a end table or a corner table. I think it's beautiful. And I have silver flowers in there. However, my husband said he would like it if I put, what do you call those red flowers that come out? Poinsettias. Well, here's the final result. The vase is just a clear vase from the Dollar Tree that I painted black and put the mirror tiles on there. And then those are smaller. I got them from Amazon, but I think it's elegant. I think it's something you'd like to be displayed in your home. And I think you'd get a lot of compliments from your friends and family. All right, Lady T signing off.